Hello, Facebook. I've been on Instagram Live today while I did my wig install here, and I just wanted to come on Facebook and finish up the process because I got to give my Facebook family some love too. So if you're new to shopping with us, I am Janice, the owner of Magic Hair Company. We're located in Culver City, California, USA. Our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com. We are your custom full lace and front lace wig specialist. We do custom color. Styling is included if you want bangs, layering, anything like that. We can definitely accommodate that for you here at Magic Hair Company. Again, our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com. We've been getting a lot of calls and messages and reviews lately about, oh, I got 3 wigs for $55 or 6 wigs for $100. We do not have that special here at Magic Hair Company. We only sell premium quality human hair lace wigs, and our wigs start at $300 and go up from there. We only sell the best hair. Now back to this video. So this is my wig that I've been wearing for the last 2 years, and we colored it red yesterday. If you guys have been watching, you've seen this wig blonde. This is the wig I wore to on my cruise to Jamaica, where I was jumping off waterfalls. So again, if you're looking for some vacation hair and you want some good quality hair that you can get wet in the day, whether you're going in the ocean or in a pool, shop with us here at Magic Hair Company so you can have quality hair that you can get wet, and then it will dry and look beautiful just like this. So I just glued this down about 10 minutes ago. So if you guys see white glue, that's why, because the glue is still drying. And as I was drying, the baby hair was getting stuck. So that's exactly why I'm on the live right now, so I can style this baby hair. Now, if you watch my previous videos, you know I hate styling baby hair. Usually I don't style baby hair with my wigs because once it's dry and, you know, once my hair is falling over place, the baby hair is kind of a nuisance for me. But I did get some requests on styling some baby hair, so this is just kind of what got stuck in the glue because my Wi-Fi kept going out and blah, blah, blah. But as you guys can see here, I'm pulling out this hair right here, and now I'm going to style it and trim it. Our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com, and here in our Culver City store, we're currently taking appointments Monday through Saturday from 10:30 to 6 p.m. here in our Culver City store. We prefer that you make an appointment now, that way we can just disinfect the stations and be able to accommodate you. We are your hair loss specialists. If you are suffering from hair loss, come on in. We will fit you. We will make sure you get a quality wig. All of our wigs are 100% human hair. They are going to last you for time and time. Again, our wigs are not throwaway wigs. They're not single-use wigs. They're not going to have absolute minimal shed, tangle. Our wigs aren't going to matte. If our wig mattes on you, bring it back to us and we'll replace it. That's how confident I am in the quality of the hair that we sell. My name is Janice. I'm the owner. This is my business. This is my baby. I'm here most days, not every single day, but I am here. And I really stand by all of my wigs. We don't sell any synthetic wigs. And again, our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com. We can really customize your wig for you. We can duplicate an old look for you, or we can complete a completely new look for you here. Whatever you desire, we can create it here at Magic Hair Company because we provide custom wigs. As you can see, we have hundreds of wigs in stock and available behind me. We are located here in Culver City, California. Culver City, California. So if you shop with a wig company and you get a package from China and it's not from magichaircompany.com, that is not from us. Don't believe it. We're not partnered with any company. We're not working with any company. Our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com. We are very sorry from all the people who are getting bamboozled from these companies and their $55 ads, but I guarantee you, ladies and gentlemen, that is not from us, the real magichaircompany.com. located here in Culver City, California, USA. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. This wig was blonde for the last 2 years and we just colored it. So you guys see how beautiful this curl pattern is. At first I was debating between just using a fresh brand new wig and coloring that red, but I was like, no, I can color my old wig. We do have a sale going on right now as well, so go on over to our website. All of our wigs are currently 50 to 20% off, so shop with us. All of our wigs are on sale. It just depends on what wig is on sale. This is what the color looks like on the back. Can you guys see this? How's this on camera? I love red hair. I love curly hair. Ew. So yeah, again, shop with us at magichaircompany.com. If you were looking for a human hair full lace or front lace wig, we can customize the color for you. We can cut some layers. We can add bangs for you. We can definitely customize your wig for you exactly how you like. Red has been a very, very popular color for us right now. So if you like red, you like a specific red, screenshot that for us and we will definitely duplicate it for you here at Magic Hair Company. I love when I travel with my curly wigs. They're so easy to maintain. I simply just get my spray bottle and add some of our hydrating curl definer and amplifier and brush that through and I'm good to go. So I can get my hair wet during the day, rinse out the chlorine or salt water and be ready for dinner. That is what's great about shopping with us. We only have high quality human hair wigs. Our wigs will last you for years and years to come. Let us know if you guys have any questions. We're open here in our Culver City store. Our current hours are Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. Our address is 8638 Washington Boulevard, Culver City, California. We do have layaway and financing available. Our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com. We are your premium full lace and front lace wig specialist. We do custom coloring, layering, and I'm Janice. I'm the owner. I've been here for the last 8 years. So I'm not a pop-up wig shop that is like, oh my gosh, this girl's just starting to sell wigs. Nope. I've been here. I know what I'm doing, and shop with us if you want the best. All right, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget we do have our 20 to 50% off sale right now. We have wigs on sale. We have our hair care product line on sale. We have closures. We have frontals. We will be getting some bundles and clip-ins in stock in about 2 weeks-ish. If there's anything specific that you're looking for that you don't see available on our website, just let us know. We might have it available here in store and it's just not updated yet on the website. So let us know how we can help you. Don't ever hesitate to contact us. We do have our chat feature on our website, magichaircompany.com. Give us a call. Our number is 310-558-0181. Send us an email. Let us know how we can help you. We are here to assist you. If you have any questions, if you need to know how to maintain, how to take off your wig, let us know. We are here to help you. That's exactly why I opened the store, because I know what the wig shopping process is like. Okay, everybody, let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to shop our sale. We only have 1, sometimes 2 of a lot of wigs. So if there's something you like on our website, add it to your cart. We have free domestic shipping right now. We also have in-store pickup available anytime during our store hours. And yes, we do ship internationally. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. We are magichaircompany.com, where we are changing lives one custom wig at a time. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.